Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install VmWare Pro on your Windows PC. First, open up your browser and you type in VmWare downloads. Select VmWare downloads. Click on the text box link VmWare WORKSTATION downloads. It will bring you to this page. You can see different download options, but we'll select Workstation Windows. Your download should get started. Now the download is done. You click on the installer. The installation process is simple and straightforward. Just follow my lead. Now we have successfully installed VmWare WORKSTATION Pro on our Windows PC. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.